Hey guys, it's Rolando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about, should you pay for older collection charge-off accounts? I know you heard me say, the less negative items on your credit report, the higher your FICO score. So you looked at your credit report, you have some negative items there. You're thinking, well, let me pay for these accounts because Rolando said that's gonna boost my credit score. Hold up, put the brakes over quick. Sometimes paying off old accounts can potentially affect your credit score. Yes, I know this sounds crazy, guys, but the older the collection account, the less it weighs on your overall credit score. So sometimes paying older collection accounts can drop your score. Let me tell you why. That account might no longer be reporting. It could be like one of those ducks just sitting there waiting for something to happen, right? And the moment you pay for it, that collection company has to report paid. Payment received, pay, settle for less, whatever the verbiage is. They're gonna reactivate that account and it will be there for another 7 years. And since that account is not current, it's gonna drop your score. So Rolando, what do I do then? How do I get rid of these negative items? One of two ways. Number one, wait for the 7-year mark to happen. They have to fall off in 7 years. Or number two, dispute them. Do not pay for them if they're past the statute of limitation, which I'll do a video on that next. If you have some accounts that you think you have to pay, feel free to send me a message. I'll be more than happy to let you know if it's recommended for you to pay those accounts. All right, guys, this is a sensitive topic, requires more time, but I got straight to the point about you paying off accounts. See you guys soon.